Hi, this is Willie Crawford, and I wanted to offer you a free gift today. The free gift is a free PDF report. You can see right here, free PDF report, and it's called How to Get More Traffic to Your YouTube Videos. Basically, I did a 1 hour phone call sharing with my listeners some of the tactics and techniques that I and members of my inner circle use to drive traffic to videos we place on not only YouTube but other video sharing sites as well. Like, as I said, it's a 1 hour phone call that we recorded. Actually, I did a radio show on it. And the tactics and techniques are not just mine, but those are some very savvy marketers. I had the call transcribed. It's now a PDF. And all you really need to do is visit my website at williecrawford.com/blog. That's williecrawford.com/blog. And on that blog, you'll see this little post right here. You just scroll down to where the hyperlink is right in the post. It's the top post on the blog right now. And you click on the hyperlink to download it. Actually, if you right click on it, it will download it. If you just click on it, it's going to open the file, which is what it just did. So I've opened the file, and let me resize it a little. See, the PDF is called How to Get Traffic to Your YouTube Videos, Tactics and Tips from Inside the Internet Marketing Inner Circle. And then it just shows the symbol for the Internet Marketing Inner Circle. It's a free PDF, as you can see from the blog that I'll go back to. See right here, there's no opt-in form or anything required. I'm just giving you this free transcript of a call I did on how to generate free traffic to your YouTube videos. You use these tactics and techniques, and all of a sudden you'll be getting a lot more hits to your YouTube videos, and it'll be a lot more targeted traffic too, though. So I hope you enjoyed this free gift. Again, to get it, you go to williecrawford.com/blog. Thank you.